Good morning. Myself, Dr. Kumari Bharti, Jamshedpur Cooperative College, Department of Philosophy. Today I deliver my lectures, Mill's Utilitarianism. So, utilitarianism is a normative ethical theory. Mills defined that utilitarianism is a theory based on principle that actions are right to proportion as they tend to promote happiness. Wrong, they tend to produce reverse happiness. Mills deals that happiness as a pleasure and absence of pain. It is based on greatest happiness of the greatest number. So man should do such work gets a maximum happiness of the maximum number. Mill's theory is based on psychological hedonism. So, ultimate goal of happiness in the nature of man. So we desire any object and feel happiness. This is equal. Again, Mill support to holistic theory, and he discussed man is selfish. Man is selfish, but he wants to bring a happiness to others. He inclines towards to others. Now question is, man is selfish animal. Man is a selfish animal. He wants to own happiness. So why he incline towards other? So this is question mark. Mill discuss the 5 moral sanction. Mill give the reason of 5 moral sanction. We compare to Bentham. Bentham also give the 4 moral sanction, and Mill included 1 moral sanction. So we discuss the 5 moral sanction. So first, natural. Second, social. Third, political. Fourth, religious. And fifth, internal sanction. So these sanctions are inspired to we make a holistic. We incline towards to other. First, natural. Man loves nature. Man loves nature. And he wants a good health. So he follows the rules of nature. So this reason is man makes a holistic. Again, we discuss the society. Man is a social animal and he related to everyone. So he followed all rules of society because he feels that fear. He does not obey the rules. He will punish the society. So, man inclines towards other, man make a holistic. Again discuss the political. A state has own rules and he will punish by his violation. So we are followed these rules of a state. So this region he also make a man holistic. Again, we discuss the religious. Religious order to serve. Religious teaches us love, kind, mercy, and other virtues. So, this is the inspirational education. So this reason is also man make a allstric. Again, we are discussed to internal sanction. Internal sanction, this is the, we are inspired to our spirit. So love, kind, mercy, this is the feeling of our spiritual, this is the feeling of our spirit. So internal inspiration is also make a man, internal inspiration is also make a man allstric. So these are 5 moral sanctions, and these are 5 moral sanctions. So man makes a allstric, man inclined towards to other. Again we are discussed for the quality based different. Mills distinguish between 2 happiness, quality, quantity, or both. But Mill give the importance of quality based happiness. So suppose that we compare the quality and quantity based difference. Suppose that quality is increases and quantity is increases and quality happiness decrease, and again quality happiness increase, quantity happiness decrease. But Mill give the importance of only for the quality based happiness. I give the example and explain it. For example, suppose that one person get a pleasure to drink alcohol, play a card, and others gets a pleasure to play a Shakespeare, reading a book, this type of other activity. So how we compare this action is good and this action is bad? Yeah, how we compare this and this happiness is this happiness is good. So Mills discussed the 2 theory, lower pleasure and higher pleasure. Higher pleasure means good action, and lower actions means others. Lower pleasure means others. Suppose that we reading a book, we play a Shakespeare drama, this is the higher pleasure. And suppose that we drink alcohol, we play a tash card, so this pleasure is lower. So Mill distinguish between two pleasures, happiness. So now question is, how we are decided this pleasure is higher pleasure and this pleasure is lower pleasure? This is the questions of Mill. This is the question. So Mill give the answer this question. Mill describe the verdict of component judge. Verdict of the competent judge. The judge decided this action is high and this action is lower. This pleasure is high pleasure and this pleasure is lower pleasure. They have a sense of ability. So they have a sense of dignity. So he decided this type of action is higher and this type of action is lower. This is good pleasure, this is high pleasure, and this is lower type of pleasure. And he gets the importance of quality based pleasure and also differentiate this is the higher pleasure and this is the lower pleasure. So they have experience, they have a sense of dignity. So he decided. So this is the difference between quality based happiness. Again Mill said, it is better to be a suppressed dissatisfied than a full satisfied. It is better to be a dissatisfied human being than a better to peak satisfied. Of course, this meaning is you always go to higher pleasure. You don't accept the lower pleasure. This is the message of Mill's utilitarianism. And in short, utilitarianism is a theory based on the greatest happiness of the greatest number. So we do such a work, maximum happiness of the maximum number. Okay, thank you, bye.